Most developers overthink express routes. The truth is, every route needs just 3 things, and you already know 2 of them. Let me show you. First, the HTTP method. Express gives you methods like app.get for retrieving data, app.post for creating, app.put for updating, and app.delete for removing. Each method on the app object corresponds to an HTTP verb. Choose the one that matches what your endpoint does. Second, the route path. This is your first argument, a string like /users or just / for the route. It defines the URL pattern clients will hit. You can use dynamic segments with colons, like /users/:id to capture variable parts of the path. Third, the handler function. This callback receives 2 critical parameters: rec, the request object with data from the client, and res, the response object you'll use to send data back. Inside this function, you access query parameters, body data, route parameters, and everything else about the incoming request. Finally, send a response. Use res.send for plain text or HTML, res.send for objects or arrays, or res.status to set the status code. Without calling a response method, the client hangs forever waiting for data. That's it. Pick an HTTP method, define a path, write a handler with rec and res, then send a response. Master these 3 ingredients and you've mastered express routing. Now go build something. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.